Okay, this is the 3D copter. Now you may be saying that's not the 3D copter that you had there a couple of weeks ago and showed us. Well, no, it's not. I've actually got two. One's a homemade project, this is a buy off the shelf. And when I mean buy off the shelf, I bought the ESCs and the board from David over at the multi copter shop in Switzerland, and really fantastic service. I mean, the guy, you replies to an email every time within 24 hours. Sometimes you're sitting there and he replies straight back at you, gives you all the information. Can't speak highly enough of him. And as I said, not sponsored, just call it as I see it. So these are matched. Now this is a NAS32. This has got all the jewellery on it. So it's got the compass, it's got the GPS capability, it's got the mag on it. So I'm not using it for that. I've covered that over, of course, just to save the board, but this is just purely for 3D flying. Now the reason I got this board is because when I bought these were out of stock, the standard one. So David actually sold me this one to make up the kit, and away we go. So thank you, David, very well. And I have actually flown this, and it does fly reasonably well. Haven't done the upside down thing yet on it. So we're running that standard through there with a wiring loom, so the wiring harness, and we're running the Turnigy Aero Drive 282214s, and they're a 1450 kV motor. Now these are a beautiful motor. These just sing, and we're doing the 9-inch HQ props. As you can see, they are balanced. And the good part about these props is they're symmetrical, so you put them on upside down, you wouldn't know. So the way I look at it, you're flying that way or flying that way, you get the same efficiency with your prop. Now in here we've got the Turnigy UBEC, so you'll notice in here that, if I get that in the light, you'll notice in there we haven't got the red wire connected from the ESC. Purely from the fact that when this thing's switching backwards and forwards, and it does it fairly rapidly, we don't want to spike the board, so we've just got to give it its own power there. So it's just doing its own thing there. Okay, so that's basically. So as you can see, I've got it set up for normal. So that's front ways. Okay, and if I do that, turn that off and do that, I've got upside down. So we'll try the right way up first. Now when you power this up, the blades just take off, but they're in reverse. So you'll see that there, you'll hear them click into right way up as I get halfway. Okay, so now we're going the right way. So we'll see how we go. I've just got to remember not to go past halfway, otherwise I will get reversed into the ground. So the PIDs seem okay. So everything seems nice on it.